Hey, what's up, guys? Zach here, doing a box of 2002 Bowman's Best Baseball. It's kind of torn, kind of sucks, but it's all good. This is one of my all-time favorite sets, probably top 3. I'm working on this set, trying to get the complete base set, all the rookies and stuff. Only missing a couple autos, couple back cards. Big guys, obviously Joe MAUER, but otherwise David Wright, Jose Bautista, Liriano, I guess. Jersey, well, a back card or an auto per pack. Let's go. Albert Pujols, base. Bartolo Colon. Scott Hairston auto. Paul LaDuca. And so this looks like a Hairston red. Barry Zito. Hank Blaylock. Gary Sheffield red. No way! Haha! Joe MAUER red rookie auto. Sick. I need that one for my set. Fuck. Makes sense. Sick. Okay, this box is worth it. Did not expect to pull that. Shea Hillenbrand blue. Freddie Sanchez red bat with a 334 batting average inscription. The Sheffield red that I got distracted because of the Joe MAUER. Wow. Some redemption, hold on. John Switzer. Uncirculated, I don't know, expired redemption. Tim Hudson, Greg Sane, signed, bat card. Shit, my job's trying to get a hold of me. Gavin Floyd, rookie auto. Nice signature. Alright, Brad Nelson, rookie auto. Got 3 packs left. I think I've got one more relic bat card to hit. Jose Morbin, bat card. Cole Barthel, bat card with the Braves logo stamped on. And last pack. So definitely happy with the box. The MAUER is nice. Don't think I got any new hits, but I also got the Floyd for White Sox collection. Konerko and Justin Huber auto will be the last card. If I can find it. Red. Not bad. But definitely the Joe MAUER auto is sick. Thanks for checking it out, guys. I want to say thanks to Josh from my Atlanta Sports Cards for hooking me up with the box. Thank you.